Looking for some amazing gear? Well, you're in the right place. In today's episode of Awesome Travel Products, we've got a locking pouch and a Dopp kit from one of our favorite brands, plus a little magic for your wallet. But first, let's check out this ALPAKA sling for your next flight. Before we begin, we've hidden a discount code for Packhacker Pro somewhere in this video. The first 10 people to claim it will receive 30% off a 1-year membership, new signups only. If you find it, head to packhacker.com/pro to sign up. Link in the description below. Back to the sling. It's a perfect personal item bag to pair with your travel backpack for your next flight. Because of how thin it is, it lays super flat so you can wear it really comfortably against your body for the entire flight. Plus, the 2-liter capacity gives you enough room for the essentials, including a Nintendo Switch. And hey, if you don't feel that's necessary, you can throw in an iPad mini or a Kindle instead. There's organization throughout this bag, starting with the large front pocket with a long enough key leash to reach the door. If you've seen any other bags from ALPAKA, you won't be surprised to hear that it attaches with a magnet. It's convenient to pop off when you get to the rental car and practically leaps back onto the leash when you put your keys back in your sling. The front pocket also has room for your wallet, cash, and phone, and there's a slip pocket on the back to tuck a passport. If you don't want them next to your keys, the main compartment is a much better spot for your screens. The large divider against the back wall is lined with microfiber to keep your tablet or game system separate from the rest of your gear. There are 2 slip pockets against the front panel for wireless earbuds, a battery bank, or whatever else you want to grab quickly, plus space in the middle for your remaining essentials. It comes with a strap so you can carry everything throughout the day or take it off if you prefer to use it more like a pouch. The ripstop nylon is rugged enough to handle nearly any travel situation, and the YKK AquaGuard zippers protect your gear from the elements. If you want to pair it with an equally durable day pack, check out the latest iteration of this EVERGOODS bag. We like the first 2 versions, and EVERGOODS has taken our favorite features up a notch with easier to clean materials that are better for the environment. This ballistic 840D nylon 6 material was developed specifically for the Civic line for a lighter weight bag with the same durability as a higher denier fabric. It's more resistant to abrasion, so you don't have to worry about scuffs or marks, and it repels dirt and hair more than the high tenacity nylon on the previous version. You'll definitely like that if you're a pet parent like me. It's inevitable that my cats are going to lay all over whatever bag I'm testing, and with this one, it wipes off a lot easier. The bag is only available in black, but it's been solution dyed to save water and energy. It uses fewer resources than material dyed at the end of the manufacturing process and increases its fade resistance. Happily, all the improvements that we loved in V2 remain in V3. The front pocket is a side-opening admin panel with a large zipper pocket and 2 slip pockets for various tech gear. A yoke pocket holds more delicate gear like glasses, or you can lock down your keys on the leash. You can slide up to a 17-inch device in the padded laptop sleeve or use it for a water bladder. A loop at the top holds it upright, and there are hidden pass-throughs to slide a tube down either shoulder strap. The main compartment includes a stretchy pocket for a travel journal or notebook, webbing loops to connect pouches or other gear, and front panel zipper pockets for more organization. None of this matters if a bag is uncomfortable though. The back panel now has a subtle breathable mesh to stave off a sweaty back and patterned padding for a comfy carry. Plus, the CPL24 shoulder straps are contoured to follow the natural curve of your body and provide better weight distribution with a higher carry. That's just one of the reasons that our pros are huge fans of EVERGOODS. And they've been chatting recently about their favorite gear from the brand. We'd love to have you join in on the conversation, so check out the link in the description below for more information on how to sign up. And if you found that discount code, now's the time to use it. There's no better travel essential than feeling and smelling your best. So freshen up after your flight with a fragrance from Scentbird, this video's sponsor. I get in the mood for different scents just like I do with books, so I'm always changing things up. A Scentbird subscription lets me try something new for only $17 a month. The 0.27-ounce vials last about 30 days, and they're carry-on compliant, so I can bring it when I travel. Then it sparks the memory of that vacation when I use it at home. Since my trip to the Dominican Republic, the soft, subtle notes of mandarin and pineapple and Roja's Apex have reminded me of the tropics, and I'm digging the earthy, rich scents of Rag & Bone's Oddity. Plus, I don't have to worry about the bottles breaking in my bag since they come in these sleek locking cases. Scentbird has more than 700 perfumes and colognes from designer and indie brands, and it's a great way to experiment before investing in a larger bottle. I got Zur's Icon Chrome for my friend so he could try it first. You can skip a month or cancel anytime, and you'll save 55% off your first month at Scentbird.com when you use code PACKHACKER in the United States and Canada. Now, back to the gear. If you're a fan of stasher bags, you'll want to check out this latest offering from humangear. We love their toiletry bottles and containers, so we were excited that these reusable pouches feel as soft as their silicone bottles. They come in small and medium, which can hold 1.5 or 3.5 cups. But what sets these apart from reusable bags from brands like Stasher is that they include a slide that seals the top without us having to press every millimeter of the seal together by hand. That means they're smooth on top for easier cleaning, plus they have this awesome flex frame to hold the pouch open when you're trying to fill it with a snack at your desk. You know the pain I'm talking about if you've ever tried to fill a reusable bag with a bag of pretzels or some other snacky food. It's pretty hard to do, but with the frame and the base of these pouches here, it's a lot easier. While you can get more sizes and options from Stasher, we like the feel of humangear's material better. They're also supposed to be watertight. We have noticed that the larger one does leak a little bit if we squeeze it too hard, but they are the perfect size to get your liquid toiletries through TSA, so as long as you're not putting soup or something inside, you should be pretty safe. Heroclips are another one of our favorite products, and this one is so tiny. If you're unfamiliar, the original Heroclip functions like a traditional carabiner with a built-in hook. Flip up the hook and bam, you can hang your bag off of nearly any surface, from the cafe table to the bathroom stall door, to keep it off a dirty floor. The Mini works exactly the same, but it's designed to hold gear that's smaller than a backpack. Well, it can handle a mini backpack, but otherwise it's best for your water bottle, a packable towel, or even a hat. You can hook it to the handle of your rolling luggage as you make your way through the airport, or to the handle of a stroller or a wheelchair if you're helping some family out on a vacation. It also works well to hold your water bottle on bags that don't have pockets or just have shallow ones, and to hang a damp travel jacket outside your day pack as you make your way back to the trailhead. It's also small enough that you can hang a sling or something from it, so if that's more of what your everyday carry looks like, this is also a great option. Whatever you need it for, we think that there are plenty of reasons to use this little guy in addition to its big brother. You can even use it to hang up this toiletry bag at your hotel. Although with how nicely the Aer Dopp Kit 3 stands up on its own, unless you're out of sink space, you probably won't have to. There's a flat handle on the back to help you carry it to the restroom, and you can slip the Heroclip through there to get it out of the way. However, the 1680D ballistic nylon is durable enough to take accidental spills or drops during your trip, so it's more than safe on the counter, and the kit has an antimicrobial and water-resistant liner too. There's a shallow front pocket where we like to stash a comb and other toiletries we need throughout the day, like lip balm or tissues, because they're easy to get at without digging through the entire bag. The main compartment opens fully clamshell and stands solo with the front panel lying down. You can grab your toothbrush from the elastic loop and still have access to tiny gear like contact lenses, cotton swabs, and makeup in a mesh pocket along the front panel. There's another divider pocket made with liner material along the back for items you don't want to get wet. It's on a divider where you can stand up the rest of your gear like soap and deodorant to keep it from falling out the sides when you unzip the kit. Tom also really loves this squared off base because it fits perfectly with the Air Pro kit in his bag and creates a nice cube packable shape. He's been using both for several months on trips to South America and all over the US. Did you ever play with a Jacob's ladder as a kid? This wallet is exactly like that, so if you like to fidget, this is the one for you. This magic wallet from Garzini can hold up to 10 cards with slots on the front, back, and inside. You can choose which side you're looking at by either opening it like a book or unfolding it like a butterfly, and the soft leather makes it tempting to keep flipping back and forth as you wait your turn in line at the taco truck. The magic comes in when you open either side, and the card stored within the center loop switches places for easier grabbing no matter which way you open the wallet. I feel like this thing just sort of hypnotizes me when I have it in my hand. It's so much fun to play with. Otherwise, it's a fairly simple wallet, although it does offer RFID protection, so you're protected from scammers as you walk through the airport. What you see is what you get though, with 6 slimmer card slots along the outside and 2 roomier ones inside where you can tuck cash, receipts, or a flat multi-tool if you don't need the space for a card. There isn't a clear window for an ID, though a lot of places will make you take out your ID anyway so that they can scan it, so it's not really something that we miss much. You won't miss a shot with the upgraded version of Peak Design's camera cube either. We're not surprised to see such a thoughtful iteration, since protecting camera gear is kind of their bread and butter. Still, we're happy with these newest versions for a few different reasons. First, they're at least 10% lighter than the original and much more water resistant, with coated zippers that are easy to open thanks to thick webbing pulls. The handle runs around the lid so you can carry it from any side, and the interior features Peak Design's origami-like organization, with flexible dividers that you can move anywhere to customize it to your kit. Along with the small, medium, and large, you can now get them in extra small, which has a 3.5 liter capacity, and medium, which has a 10 liter capacity. They both work well for newer, smaller mirrorless cameras, so you don't have to fill the rest of a large cube with other gear just to justify carrying it around. If you do need more space, the large has a 20 liter capacity with the same DIY configuration to carry multiple cameras or a bulky drone. We think it's worth spending a little extra to get quality gear that's going to last you longer and keep those beautiful travel pictures coming if you're a member of Packhacker Pro. We love seeing where you've been. So that's our latest collection of travel essentials you can get your hands on. What's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to save 55% on your first month at Scentbird.com using the code PACKHACKER. We'll see you in the next one.